Alrighty guys, let's take a look at the tools that I picked up from the car boot sale this morning. These three here came from a favourite stall of mine, and all this lot cost me £1. So let's take a look at what we got first. The first of the three is this set of Dormer high-speed special length drill bits. They're 200mm overall, straight shank. You get 4 in a packet. I've only got 3 though. I don't think they've been used because they've still got grease on them here, like as they would be new. All 3 seem to be in very good condition. Don't know what happened to the 4th one, obviously got used. So it's quite handy. I think these are size 6 it says here by the looks of things. So what have we got next? A small pair of Elliot Lucas pliers dating back to the 40s, I would imagine, because I've already got a set of these, as you can see here. I bought these last year at the same boot sale. These ones are actually dated 1940 something or other, and they have the little government arrow on them just there. It's exactly the same model. It's quite stiff actually. And these were once owned by J.E., whoever that might have been. So they're quite nice. Let's take a look at the other pliers I got. These 10-inch monsters are Elliot Lucas again. Apparently they are ultra tensile. It has got a number here which I can't read at the moment, but I will put the part number down here for you to look at. These should make an interesting project. Massive great big pair of pliers. They still cut fairly well because I've tried them. A little bit stiff though, a little bit of rust on them. They should clean up quite well. There's a little bit of damage to one of the handles just there. Not too worried about that too much. Really nice big pair of Elliot Lucas 10-inch pliers. I'm not sure the age of these just yet, but yeah, very nice indeed. I had a wander round to my other favourite tool stall, and I found this kind of semi upside down monkey wrench style monkey wrench. I guess you could call it some kind of auto wrench. As you can see, it's going to need a damn good cleaning up. It does actually have on here Domino, made in England. I'll put you a close-up photo of those in a moment. It's very stiff to use, and it doesn't want to close all the way up either, so it's an interesting project for me then, guys. What else did I also... So this cost me £1. Okay, this cost me £1 too. So I got that for £1, and I got these 3 here for my other favourite stall for £1. So that's £2. And what I also got was this nice big box. It came from the same stall as I bought these pliers and drill bits from. £4. I mean, you probably couldn't even get these latches for that price. It's got 4 of them on there. There we go. Oops. And it's got some very nice handles on the end too. So you know, I couldn't even make this myself for £4. I'm going to probably be using it for storing in the garage there, in the workshop. Get quite a bit of kit going on in there, guys. It's alright, is that? Very nice. Not bad for £4. He had several of those, but I thought this was the best one of the lot. Right, and I think that's quite a nice little haul for £6. £1 for this unusual monkey wrench here by Domino. A couple of very nice Elliot Lucas pliers, especially this one. I like this one. Very nice is that one. Some long series drill bits, quite nice, and a storage box. Alright guys, let me know if you go to boot sales looking for tools. I love looking for tools. Can't wait to get out there again, see what else I can find. Let me know what you get from a boot sale, guys, if you like looking around boot sales. Alright guys, thanks for popping over. Thanks for checking out my haul, and I will catch you laters.